Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Friday, which means that we are looking at the world of meme stocks. It's been another roller coaster week for Bed Bath & Beyond. Viewers will recall that meme investor number one, Ryan Cohen, recently sold his entire stake in the business. And with its biggest backer gone, Bed Bath & Beyond stock sold off sharply. However, no sooner had the dust settled on Cohen's departure than the company was reported to be close to securing a $375 million loan deal with Sixth Street Partners. The stock jumped 18% on that news, then rallied a further 24.7% on Monday, ahead of what was billed as a strategic update from the company. The stock remains the most discussed name on the social trading site StockTwits. However, the update from the company looked more like a survival plan than anything else. The firm is to shutter 150 retail locations and exit many of its own brands, as same-store sales fell by as much as 22%, whilst Q2 revenues came in $100 million below Wall Street forecasts of $1.5 billion. However, it also gave notice that it would issue and sell 12 million new shares using the proceeds to pay down existing debt. Bed Bath & Beyond will also look to cut admin charges and expenses by $250 million this year and will reduce its planned spending by a further $150 million, as well as cutting headcount in its supply chain team by 20%. The stock fell by 21.3% on the news. Another stock that's familiar to followers of Ryan Cohen is Chewie, the e-commerce group he founded in 2011. Chewie reported Q2 earnings on Tuesday, and though it comfortably beat EPS forecasts, earning 5 cents per share versus an expected 11-cent loss, the company guided lower on full-year revenues, even though it expects margins to increase in this period and reported rising customer numbers in Q2. Overall, the market was disappointed, and Chewie stock traded down by 14.71% over the week. The buzz around Ring Energy continues to excite investors. The Tulsa, Oklahoma-based oil and gas company recently reported blockbuster earnings and a $465 million acquisition of assets in Crane County, Texas, within the Permian Basin. That's proved such a successful area for fossil fuel exploration and production. Ring Energy has risen by 15.3% in the last month and has made 10 new highs in that time frame. Year to date, the shares are up by more than 42%, yet Ring Energy's market cap is still just under $350 million. Stocks associated with the metaverse and Bitcoin mining have come under pressure this week. One name that straddles both these memes is graphics chipmaker NVDA. The high-powered chips that NVIDIA specializes in are perfect for rendering complex simulations in augmented and virtual realities, but also contain the processing power needed to mine cryptocurrencies. There's just one problem. There isn't enough demand for these chips right now, and NVIDIA has cut guidance for the third time in the last quarter, with the stock falling more than 12% as a result.